everybody, here's my design team project for Ephemoire for January. I made these little journals using dominoes and using Ephemoire's Vintage Cupid Domino Images. And they're little accordion books. Open like this. A little distressing of the blank pages where you can write. And the cord is inserted under the covers in a way that lets you have to wrap this book or it won't stay closed. So leave a little extra string for that. And I also made some dominoes, key rings. And I used for the journals a newer type of domino because my older ones I was thinking of using were pretty thick for a journal cover. These are pretty slick and hard to stick to. I would recommend sanding or gesso, maybe both. They worked really well for journal covers. But for the key rings, they were too thin, and when I put these little eyelet screws in, it split the domino in half. So I went back to using my older vintage ones for this. And for both of these projects, I did an embossed edge. I just used a gold stamp pad and embossing powder, and then you have to use your heat gun, and it gives kind of a nice gold edge on it. I also then used Dimensional Magic Mod Podge on it to give the shine and protection, especially for the key rings. And you can also use glossy accents, I believe. I haven't tried that, but anyway, I think it turned out pretty cute.